Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. From this video tutorial onwards, for the next few video tutorials, I would like to discuss math functions in Unreal Blueprints. Math functions in Unreal Blueprints. So let's get started. First we talk about absolute function. Absolute function returns absolute value of a number. Absolute value means positive value of a given number, guys. Let's have a demo. I right click here and search for absolute. You can see we have absolute float, we have absolute integer, right? Let me select absolute integer. If I give value here -9, I right click and say print string, connect the execution pins and connect the data pin. So what ABS function does? ABS or absolute function returns the absolute, that is positive value of a given number. Definitely we'll get 9 here. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 9, guys, right? That is the positive value of -9. If I say here -30, what we get? We get +30. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got +30, guys. If I give here 25, it just returns 25 because positive value of 25 is 25 because it's already positive. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we are getting 25, guys. So that is absolute function. Okay. Next we have power function. Power function returns base raised to the power of exponent. It returns base raised to the power of exponent. Let's have a demo. I right click here and search for power. So there is a power function we have. Here I give 2 raised to the power of 3. What we get? 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, guys. So definitely we'll get 8 displayed. If I say compile, save, come to level 1 and play, you see we got 8. So you can find x raised to the power of y. That is what base raised to the power of exponent, guys. So if I say here 4 square, 4 raised to the power of 2, 4 square, what we get? 16. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 16. Like this, you can find base raised to the power of exponent using the power function, guys. Okay. Next we have square root function, SQRT. SQRT function returns square root of a number. It returns square root of a number. I right click here and search for SQRT. So there is a square root function. If I say here square root of 64, give me square root of 64, I am asking. Definitely it gives 8, right? Square root of 64 is 8. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 8, guys. If I say here give me square root of 9, square root of 9 is 3. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 3, guys. So that is square root function. So anytime you want to find square root of a number, you use this function, guys. Next we have min function. Min function returns minimum of the given numbers. It returns minimum of the given numbers. If I go here, right click and search for min function, we have min float, we have min area, rectangle, we have min integer, like that. So I'm going to select here min integer. Here I give values 2, 3. I can add more values to the list, 3, 4, 5, like this. So what is the minimum in this? Minimum is 2. So it returns 2 back. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 2, guys. If I say here, let's say this is 2. Here I give -1. So in this list, -1 is the minimum. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got -1, guys. If I say here 50 and say here 10, I say here 20, here I give 80. So in this list, the minimum is 10. So definitely it returns 10, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 10, guys. So that is the min function. The opposite of this is a max function. So we have max function. Max function returns maximum of the given numbers. Max function returns maximum of the given numbers. I right click here and search for max. So we have max integer, max float. Depending upon the type, you have to choose the function node, guys. Here I say maximum of, I want to find 2, 5, 10 and let's say 30. So in this, the maximum number is 30. So definitely it returns 30 back. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 30 guys. Let me change the values. Here I give let's say 20, and here I give 120, 10 and 30. Now in this list the maximum number is 120, so we get 120 guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 120 guys. So that is brief idea about absolute, power, square root, min and max functions. For this video tutorial, this much is enough guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about math functions in Unreal Blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.